ومن أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله.
Alhamdulillah wa salatu salam ala Rasulillah. Issue that's being brought up a lot is, as Muslims, what is our stance or our view about things like abortion rights and supporting the LGBTQ, XYZ, infinity, whatever rights and so on. And I know many Muslims are trying to hide from this issue, and many Muslims are being ambiguous with this issue, and many elected officials that claim to be Muslims are supporting these issues. And many institutes are trying to stay ambiguous in answering these because they're afraid of being cancelled. We as Muslims fear none but Allah, and we stand for the truth upon the Quran and the Sunnah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made it haram, forbidden for us to kill a human. And this is something that is from the time when the soul is breathed into the fetus. That child is a living being. It is not permissible for us to support such abortions without any legitimate Islamic health reason. Even before that, days. If there is a risk to the life of the child or the mother, there is Islamic rulings related to that. But past that, we have to understand this is a human being, this is a living thing. And how can we support people looking for a right where a child months into the pregnancy is aborted without any legitimate health reasons, without any reason that can be a legitimate Islamic reasons? We cannot support that. Not for political gain, not for our political party, not for making alliances. We as Muslims must stand on what Allah has ordered. We are not going to support such things. If we look at the LGBTQ XYZ agenda, we as Muslims cannot support this, not to make alliances. Even if they don't support our causes, we don't need them, we need Allah. And those people that sacrifice the Islamic belief and the Islamic stances for political gains, you will have to answer to Allah. Know this, that the wife of Lut, ﷺ, the Prophet Lot, ﷺ, his wife was called a kafira in the Quran for her support of the LGBTQ people in the time of Qawm Lut. She didn't practice that action, but she supported those people. She's called a kafira in the Quran. So imagine those that support the legislations that promote such actions. We as Muslims cannot sacrifice our principles for political gain. Rather, we stand against abortion, against LGBTQ, these kinds of things. This is our right. This is what Allah has ordained upon us, and we fear none but Allah.